Chapter 18. Too much water, too little water. In this chapter, we are going to learn about importance of water in life, the methods of saving water, and the diseases which are caused by drinking dirty water. Water is the most important resource. Without water, life would not exist on earth. We can collect water from various sources, but rain is the main source of water on earth. Water can dissolve many pollutants in it. Nowadays, we are polluting water by throwing waste in the water bodies. So, we should not do this. Polluted water contains disease causing germs which give birth to various waterborne diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, cholera, and jaundice. Now I will discuss the methods of cleaning water. Water should be boiled or filtered before drinking. Use purifier connected to a tap to get safe drinking water. We can also use chlorine tablets to purify water before drinking it. Now, I will discuss what should we do if a person has diarrhea. When a person has diarrhea and vomiting, the water must be sipped slowly. Light food must be taken. We should also mix some salt and sugar in the water. For this, mix 1 teaspoon sugar and a pinch of salt in 1 glass of boiled and cooled water. If the diarrhea does not stop, it is important to get the advice of a doctor.